Day 3 is about control. Ujjayi breath is famous in yoga, but in the fetish world, it's our tool for throat stability. We are going to slightly construct the glottis to strengthen the muscles that keep your airway from collapsing. Let's start with our Ujjayi breathing. Hear that wave-like sound at the back of the throats. So humming, what we did yesterday was at the back of the throat. Ujjayi is you're not making that sound, that nasal sound. It's that oceanic or wave-like sound when you exhale. Okay, let's start. Inhale. Ujjayi breath keeps your muscles engaged and active. Go deeper into your practice. We're going to do this for 1 more minute here. So continue. One last exhale here. Practice this in the night when you are winding down. Don't forget to follow my channel. Don't forget to follow my channel. We have 2 more sessions to see the transformation. Thank you. See you tomorrow.